Many taxpayers confuse GST with income tax. Some believe both are the same, while others think paying one means the other is not required. In reality, GST and income tax serve completely different purposes. Let's clearly understand the difference between GST and income tax. Tax is money collected by the government to run the country. It helps fund public services, infrastructure, and national development. Broadly, taxes are divided into direct and indirect taxes. Income tax is charged on income earned by individuals and businesses. If you earn money during a financial year, you may be liable to pay income tax. It is governed by the Income Tax Act, 1961. Salaried employees, professionals, business owners, and companies pay income tax. The tax amount depends on total income earned in a year. Higher income generally leads to higher tax liability. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It is charged on the supply of goods and services. Whenever you buy something or use a service, GST is included in the price. GST is collected by businesses from customers. The final burden of GST is borne by the consumer. Businesses only act as intermediaries for the government. Income tax is a direct tax paid by the person who earns income. It cannot be transferred to anyone else. GST, on the other hand, is an indirect tax passed on to consumers. Income tax is based on income or profit. GST is based on consumption or sales. Even if a business is not profitable, GST may still apply. Income tax follows a slab system based on income levels. GST has fixed rate slabs such as 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Both taxes are calculated differently. Income tax requires PAN for filing returns. GST requires registration once turnover crosses the prescribed limit. Without GST registration, GST compliance is not allowed. Income tax returns are filed once a year. GST requires monthly or quarterly returns. GST compliance is continuous and more frequent. GST allows input tax credit on business purchases. This reduces the final GST payable. Income tax does not have an input tax credit system. Many people believe paying GST eliminates income tax liability. This is incorrect. Both taxes operate independently and may apply together. Income tax ensures progressive taxation based on ability to pay. GST ensures wider tax collection through consumption. Together, they form the backbone of government revenue. Income tax is based on earnings. GST is based on consumption. Understanding both helps avoid mistakes, penalties, and notices. Proper compliance keeps your financial life stress-free. If this video helped you clearly understand GST versus income tax, subscribe to Institute of Finance.